8 fatty foods that make you skinny. Delicious, hearty foods that help you lose weight? It is possible. 1. Grass-fed beef. Yeah, I know, grass-fed beef is a little pricey. But its higher ratio of good-for-you fats make it well worth the cost. And when it comes to your waistline, grass-fed beef is naturally leaner and has fewer calories than conventional meat. And enjoy your beef, guilt-free, by making one of the best burgers for weight loss. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in cancer-fighting polyphenols and heart-strengthening monounsaturated fats. Reap the benefits by making olive oil your cooking fat of choice and using it in dressings and sauces. 3. Coconut. Coconut is high in saturated fat, but more than half of that comes from lauric acid, a unique lipid that battles bacteria and improves cholesterol scores. Sprinkle unsweetened flakes over yogurt or use coconut milk in a stir-fry to start whittling your waist. 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains pure cocoa butter, a source of digestion-slowing stearic acid. Dark chocolate takes more time to process, it staves off hunger and helps you lose weight. 5. Almond butter. Almonds contain compounds that limit the amount of fat absorbed by the body, so some passes through undigested. Try stirring almond butter into your oatmeal, spreading it on toast with banana slices, or eating a couple spoonfuls as a snack. 6. Avocado. Avocados pack in healthy monounsaturated fats that contain oleic acid, which can actually help quiet feelings of hunger. 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a good choice because of its extra protein and good fat combo. Protein takes longer to break down and fat makes you feel satisfied, so you'll fly through your morning without an urge to snack. 8. Wild salmon. Omega-3s reduce the risk of arrhythmia, decrease triglyceride levels, and can actually slightly lower blood pressure. Add some flaked salmon on a salad with some chopped avocado for a double down on those health benefits. To find out what natural cures you can use to win the battle of the bulge, click on the link in the description.